morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so it's 4:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready for my flight. So I'll just quickly show you guys how do I do my hair and my makeup for the flight. So without any delay, let's get into it. I've done my skincare as well. So after doing my skincare, I wait for like 5 minutes. Just combing my hair. This is an extension braid that we're supposed to put in our hair. So today I am doing 3 flights, 3 sectors. Yesterday also I did early morning. Yesterday my reporting was 4 o'clock. Today luckily my reporting is 6 o'clock. Take the toe knot. Secure the toe knot. Then you need a rubber band. Spread them evenly. Then put the rubber band. Wrap the hair around it. That's basically it. Then you take the baby hair and the back and then you pin them up. Okay, that is done. Now primer. I have large open pores around this area. Let's do this now. This is a concealer by L'Oreal. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. Today I have been flying for almost 8 years now. I'm going to complete 8 years in September this year. So almost 8 years. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll answer them for you guys. Okay, so I am from Uttarakhand. I'm a Pahari, I'm a Kumaoni for people who know that. But like I've not been raised there. I was born there. Then we moved out. Started working when I was 18, right after school. Like I did 1 year of college. I was doing BCom. I'm a commerce student. Then I started flying and then I've been flying since. I have changed my base a couple of times. Like you can apply for transfer and go wherever you like, wherever the company has base. Obviously, they fly as a lead is what we call here at Indigo. It's like SCC, Senior Cabin Crew, the in-flight manager or purser or whatever you like to call it. And I obviously love this job, that's why I've been doing it for 8 years. I know it has its drawbacks as well, but I really see the good side. I try to see it every day, so that is what keeps me motivated. Before COVID especially, I used to love my job. And during COVID, obviously it was a little tough. I got COVID positive twice because of work. Not because of work, but like I had no symptoms. So before any international flight, obviously we're entering a different country, so we used to get our tests done, COVID tests. So I've composited twice. Luckily, no symptoms, and I used to stay with my sister, and I didn't pass it on to her. Luckily, thank God. So yeah, during COVID it was a little tough. Everybody knows that, but we sailed through that, and now we're here. Now I can't speak for this part. I have to do my eye makeup. So lighter color will obviously highlight my inner corner. So I'll take that first. Okay, now for the brown, take it and always tap it off. Very. I don't know why the color is not showing. Okay, I'll build it slowly, otherwise then it will be too much. And I use a brown kajal sort of in my, like really close to the lash line. Opens up my eyes. Good. Now I'll set it with a powder so that it doesn't move. The same brown eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm just putting the same brown eyeshadow on top of that. It doesn't move or melt. I'm very, like, my eyelids get sweaty. So everything tends to get mixed up. So this is the step for that. Prevent that from happening. Okay. I'm just realizing I've forgotten my makeup fixer. A little bit of highlighter on the inner corner. Cat. He's a stray, obviously. I've had him for almost 3 years. I love him more than anything in this world. Okay. Do mascara. Really quickly, only on the outer lines, like outer part. Not a fan of putting mascara on the lower lash. Take off the lip balm. Back to my little brown lip liner, which you've seen me put in almost all of the videos. Line my lips. Talking about myself, I forgot. But yeah, that's basically it. I don't know what else to tell you guys. If you have any questions, please drop them down. I can't speak more about myself than this, I guess. Okay, more than dragging, I like to tap it. Back with the kajal. hand.